from Ron's Drone and RC channel. I'm back today with another little video. I demonstrate some of the new modes and features that were added to the Parrot Anafi with the recent firmware updates for the app, the controller, and the drone that was released earlier this week. In the video, I demonstrate how some of these new modes and maybe some of the old modes work, and the new Anafi FPV pack with your old Anafi with the firmware updates. We're just waiting to see if that if the goggles get released separately, so you can use these to replicate what you can do with the new Anafi FPV pack. So sit back, enjoy, relax. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll try to get back to you. And we'll see you in the next one.